something impossible just happened. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is disappearing. And that's a much bigger problem than you think. For over 300 years, this giant storm has raged across Jupiter. It's so enormous, Earth could fit inside it.
But there's something scientists can't ignore anymore. Year after year, the Great Red Spot keeps getting smaller. Now imagine it suddenly disappears forever. Would Jupiter change? Would anything happen to us?
Surprisingly, Jupiter wouldn't collapse, but its atmosphere would never look the same again.
The massive winds would spread across the planet. New storms would eventually form, but none may ever become this legendary again.
One day, future generations may know the Great Red Spot only from old photographs. And that future may already have begun.